Hello and welcome to a presentation on mobile marketing. This is actually presentation number 4 after learning about the mobile marketing trends and stats, and after learning about the strategy and different channels of mobile marketing. Today I'm going to give you actually 10 mobile marketing tips, followed up with a PowerPoint slideshow presentation which will have another 30, so the total of 40 plus mobile marketing tips. And the purpose of these tips is to help you understand how to use those channels that we have mentioned in the previous presentation. So let's start with the tip number 1, and that is really crucial. We need to honor permission. We don't want to alienate our audience by sending unsolicited messages. That is where everything starts. You do want to honor permission, and you do want to build relationships, long-term relationships with your customers, rather than frustrating and pushing them away. So honoring permission, letting your customers dictate when and where they want to receive their messages, etc., is crucially important for any mobile marketing program. Number 2, keep your communication simple and short. We have to realize that mobile marketing is different. Those mobile devices, we use them on the go. We normally don't have much time to read them. We don't have much time to deal with them. So really, less is more for mobile marketing. And tip number 3, we live in the world of so-called nano culture society. And that's where it is crucial that we respond very quickly. Consumers actually do expect immediate responses with mobile devices. So we have to plan how we will be dealing with those requests. We have to have staff in place and systems in place that will enable us to respond quickly. So the tip number 4 is to keep your focus on one call to action at a time. As mentioned before, SMS, MMS messages, push notifications, all those messages are always very short, and we have to keep in mind that our customers, potential customers, are busy, and we want to make it as simple as possible and as short as possible for them to get our message. And one way to do that would be to have one single call to action at a time. Keep it simple and use one single call to action at a time. Tip number 5, start your message with action words. Once again, make it simple for people to understand what you are actually expecting them to do. So start with action words such as buy, or sell, or save, or check out, or purchase, to grab their attention and also to make it clear what you want them to do. You remember one of the 3 critical success factors when it comes to mobile marketing was cross-channel integration. Well, actually this tip is all about cross-channel integration. It says that we should combine SMS and email and social media to increase our effectiveness. In other words, for example, we can use email and social media channels to promote subscribing to our SMS campaigns, or to promote downloading our new app, etc. So the key is cross-channel integration. Tip number 7, offer an incentive for signing up to your SMS or push marketing programs. Maybe a discount, maybe free product sample, maybe an ebook. And you probably remember in one of the previous presentations we mentioned a case of Ace Hardware. They offered 10% or 20% discount and $10 coupon for any new subscriber to their SMS campaigns. Tip number 8, avoid oversending. Once again, honor the expectations of your audience. Remember, they pay for the text messaging, so don't send more than 3 to 5 messages a month. Number 9, consider using text messaging online providers such as Easy Texting or Trumpia.com. You remember when we dealt with email campaigns, I made a recommendation to check out websites like ConstantContact.com or MailChimp or iContact. Well, EasyTexting.com, they even partner with Constant Contact in order to provide support for their customers. So if you sign up with ConstantContact.com for your mail campaigns, you can also opt to use Easy Texting for your SMS campaigns. So you can go to easytexting.com and set up your own free account and start sending SMS messages by using Easy Texting. And number 10, one of the most important tips, that's why I left it for the very end, test the look of your website on different devices. There's a tool called ScreenFly and also a website called BrowserStack that can help you test the look of your website on different devices and on different browsers. So let me test it how it works. I will type on the ScreenFly tool, I'm gonna type www.tenniswarehouse.com in order to test what their website will look like on various devices. So click on go, and it's a very fast tool, very fast website. In a matter of seconds you can see, oh, here's what their website looks like on a desktop screen, right? Looks good to me. But if we go to tablets, for example, and maybe Samsung Galaxy tablet, it looks like this website will need a little bit of work so that it gets better optimized for look on Samsung Galaxy tablet. Now we can also try it on different tablets like Google Nexus 7. Looks slightly better. Or maybe we can test it on, say, Apple iPhone 5, and maybe we can test it on a BlackBerry. So we can see that there is an opportunity for improvement for Tennis Warehouse to provide better experience on mobile devices. So these are some of my favorite tips. But once again, if you want to get more tips, there is a presentation uploaded on the iPowerLab training website. It's a PowerPoint slideshow with more than 40 mobile marketing tips. I hope you're going to enjoy them. Well, once again, this is it about mobile marketing. For now, I want to thank you for watching and keep learning.